In the fast-evolving world of finance, cryptocurrencies have firmly established themselves as a transformative force. By 2026, digital currencies are not just an investment tool. They are woven into the fabric of everyday transactions and business operations. Today, we'll explore practical ways you can earn crypto online, even if you're a beginner. Let's dive in. Imagine your morning routine, starting with a glance at crypto markets as naturally as checking the weather. As digital currencies gain ground, earning them becomes accessible to everyone, not just seasoned investors. First, let's talk about freelance platforms. These online marketplaces are the modern-day hubs for exchanging skills for cryptocurrency. Websites like CryptoGig and CoinTasker have emerged, catering specifically to gig workers eager to earn in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, these platforms provide a user-friendly entry into the cryptocurrency economy. Simply sign up, list your skills, and watch as opportunities pour in from around the globe. Next on our list is crypto staking. Think of staking as the digital equivalent of earning interest on a savings account. By 2026, numerous platforms offer simplified staking options with attractive returns. The process involves holding certain proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies in a wallet, which in turn supports the network's operations. In exchange, you'll receive additional coins. This is a perfect strategy for those who prefer a passive approach to earning crypto, with platforms like Binance and Coinbase making staking more accessible than ever. Perhaps you're inclined towards creating content. If so, content creation platforms like LBRY and Publish0x enable you to earn crypto for your contributions. These decentralized platforms reward creators based on user engagement. By consistently producing high-quality content, whether it's videos, blogs, or music, you can build a crypto income stream. This method not only rewards creativity, but also fosters connections within a thriving community. For those who enjoy gaming, 2026 offers an exciting blend of entertainment and earnings. Play-to-earn games have become a sensation, allowing players to collect rare NFTs and cryptocurrencies as part of their gaming experience. Games like Axie Infinity and Star Atlas offer platforms where your gaming prowess translates directly into crypto rewards. Analysts predict this trend will only grow, inviting even casual players to transform leisure time into lucrative opportunities. Of course, the world of crypto faucets remains a gateway for curious minds eager to dip their toes into this digital ocean without financial risks. By completing simple activities like surveys or watching ads, users earn small amounts of cryptocurrency. While not the quickest route to wealth, it's an excellent way to learn more about different crypto projects while accumulating assets over time. And let's not forget about learning and earning platforms. Websites like BitDegree are pioneering new ways to combine education with crypto rewards. By enrolling in courses and passing exams, users earn tokens. This innovative model encourages skill development while nurturing an understanding of blockchain technology and digital finances. As we conclude, it's essential to remember that although opportunities abound, wise decision-making is crucial. Whether you're freelancing, staking, creating content, gaming, engaging with faucets, or learning for crypto, understanding each method's intricacies can guard against potential pitfalls. Spend time researching and selecting the best platforms that align with your skills and interests. Earning crypto online in 2026 presents a landscape rich with potential. What was once considered a niche has blossomed into a multitude of avenues for financial growth. By approaching these opportunities with caution and curiosity, you can navigate this digital frontier effectively. In a world increasingly driven by innovation, your journey into earning cryptocurrency is not just possible, it's promising. Keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows? The digital currency you earn today might just shape your financial tomorrow. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalexnow.com.